day, students. So for today's video, we will be talking about financial analysis. So in financial analysis, we have four types, which are horizontal analysis, vertical analysis, comparative analysis, and ratio analysis. So for today's video, we will be focusing on the horizontal analysis. So the content of this video is the definition, the objective of the financial analysis, as well as the solving. So in part 1, financial analysis makes the financial statement useful primarily to the management than to the other interested parties, or shall we say the internal and the external users of the financial statement. After completing the financial statement, accountants need to fulfill the last accounting function, interpretation. Interpretation employs tools and techniques in analyzing financial statements such as horizontal analysis, vertical analysis, comparative, and ratio analysis. So the financial analysis, it will help the user understand more on what is happening in the company, especially on the financial stability of a company. Okay, a horizontal analysis is also called a trend analysis, evaluates the sequence of information contained in the financial statement over several periods. So, in horizontal analysis, you will be comparing, so kay horizontal man sa tindog, diba, ana? Ang horizontal, ang vertical kay ana. So, we will first discuss on the horizontal. So, meaning, in horizontal, you are to compare two years. Tanaw nimo ang dagan sa company from example 2015 to 2016. What is happening on the cash of the company in 2015 and what had happened in 2016. Okay, next type of analysis is the vertical analysis, which we will be discussing on the next video. It interprets financial statement data that are presented in the percentage of a base amount. So, if the horizontal analysis is ana, the vertical analysis is dere. So, naay base amount nga basihan. Okay, ang horizontal analysis is directly you are comparing the 2015 and the 2016. In the vertical analysis is 1 year lang ang imuhang compare. Okay? Next is the comparative statements. The preceding and current period make it possible for an evaluation of the changes in the line items, which are individual items in the financial statement. So a comparative statement, it means that when you are done with computing your horizontal analysis and vertical analysis, you are to analyze what had happened nganong mas dako siya in 2015 and manong mas gamay siya in 2016 or vice versa. Okay, lastly is the ratio analysis. It shows the correlation among specific line items in financial statements. So in ratio analysis, we have this imo siyang i-ratio and proportion naman na sa inyong algebra, di ba, saan pag-ratio, when we will discuss that furtherly on another video. So the objective of a financial analysis is to assess the overall performance of the business for a given period of time. The results of the analysis can serve as a basis for the owner or management in making the present and future plans of decision. So, if you are using the horizontal and vertical analysis, it is very useful for you as the owner and for you also as the management to understand more the performance of your business, whether it will be gaining or losing on the next year, para naa kay plano kung unsa inyong buhaton. That is why some of the company naa sila ginatawag nga quota, nganuman kay makita naman gud nila ang dagan sa ilahang business on the first year. So dapat on the second year na sila'y plano nga dapat padak-an ato dire, dapat dako atong sales para mas mudaghan atong cash, dapat mas less ang ato ang kanang expenses, mangita taog mas mga barato nga mga pamaliton para mas gamay ang ato ang expenses or ingonana. Moreover, it can also be used as basis for evaluating the performance of the manager of the different departments of the company. So, niingon mo ko ganina na quota, di ba? Ginagamit po na nila to evaluate the performance of the manager. Example, nagkota sila nga dapat ilang sales for the months of January or for the year of 2015 is makakota sila of 5 million. So, dapat ma-reach po na siya sa manager. It means that the manager is doing his job or her job on operating the business well. Okay. So we are done with the definition and the objective of a financial analysis. So we will proceed to the solving. So in solving, dili na nako ipakita sa inyo ha unsaon ang kaan ha. Inanani lang ang akong ipakita. So yeah. Para dili na ta mag-solve sa papel kay naka-plaster naman siya daan sa PowerPoint. Okay. For the horizontal analysis, we will be using this following formulas. In getting the increase and decrease, di ba kay you are comparing 2 years man for you to understand what is happening on the first year and on the second year of your company, or on the current year and the previous year. So, kwaon ninyo ang increase and decrease. So, from the current year, minus nimo siya sa previous year. So, for example, if the current year is now 2020, ang imong previous year then ana is 2019. And then, to get the percentage of kanang change, percentage of change na siya, the increase and decrease, kaning nakuha nimo nga amount dire, is imo siyang i-divide sa previous year, which is kaganina di ba 2020 ang imuhang current year, 2019 ang imuhang previous year. Dire ang nakuha nimo nga increase and decrease, i-divide nimo sa 2019 nga amount times 100. So you will understand furtherly dire sa ato ang solving. So in comparative analysis, pwede nimo, in the financial analysis, pwede nimo siya gamiton on all of the type of financial statement. These are the financial position, the comprehensive income, the changes in equity, and the cash flow. So karon ang ato sang gamiton is the financial position. Kay di ba you will able ang financial position kay siya man ang magpakita sa the performance of the company. So makita po nimo ang performance sa company. Okay. So we will proceed to cash. So you are to compare the year 2015 to 2016. So 2015 is your previous, 2016 is your current. So in cash we have 420,000 and in 2016 we have 500,000. So kaganina ang ato ang formula is the current year minus the previous year. So si current year which is 2016 500,000 i-minus nimo kang 2015 nga 420,000. Okay? So sila kanigi kan diri i-minus nimo dera. Mo nang makuha nimo si 80,000. Dayon, pagkuha nimo sa percentage is mo ni imuhang formula. The increase and decrease divided by the previous year times 100. Okay. So dire dayon ta. So the increase and decrease, nakuha na nimo si increase and decrease for the cash. Diba mo man siyang 80,000 and then i-divide daw ninyo siya sa previous year which is the 2015 which is 420,000. So mo ni siya ang 19.05%. So magamit ta og 2 places sa decimal. Okay. So gikan dire pa ang last na nga number ang sunod ana i-round off din nimo siya. So 2 decimal places ta sa decimal. Oh gani decimal gani 2 decimal places. Yes. And then na-move atong camera no. Na-move yun siya. Wait. Okay. So, the next is mo ra gyapon ang imuhang buhaton. Kaysa increase and decrease man ta, pag decrease na gani is naka-negative man ni siya diri but dapat naka-open and close parenthesis ni siya. Pag naka decrease. So, diba, as you notice, in 2015, there is ata sa cash. So, sa 2015, natay 420, then pagka 2016, natay 500. It means nga nagtaas ang ilahang cash by 19% to 2016. And then, next on accounts payable, accounts receivable. Pareha ra gyapon ang process from the current year which is 80,000 i-minus nimo siya sa previous year which is the 100,000. So mahimo siyang negative 20. So instead of putting this kanang negative sign kaning gamay, is i-open and close parenthesis lang ninyo siya para visible gid siya nga negative siya or nag-decrease siya. So it means no nga nag-decrease siya og 20%. So gikan kang 2015 nga 100,000 nahimo siyang 80, nag-decrease siya og 20%. It means nga nakakolekta ang kanang gaubos ang mga accounts receivable sa company. Dili bitaw siya nga gipasagdan lang nila nga mahimo siyang allowance for doubtful account. So nakolekta nila and then gaubos pod ang mga customer nga ginatagaan nila og kanang pribilehiyo nga makautang sa ilaha. Kay di ba di man sad maayo nga daghan kag customer nga mangutang sa imong company kay padung man po na siya sa lugi kay naagi mga times nga natay mga bagagnaw nga customer nga dili mayad. Pero nalay mga times, mga pili lang nga tao. Okay, next, on the inventory, so the same process from the current year which is 60,000, i-minus nimo siya on the previous year which is 35,000. So nag-increase siya og 25,000. So, naka-increase siya in percentage 71.43. It means nga duha ang meaning ani. It means nga daghan siya gipalit nga kanang bag-o nga inventory nga imbis hapit na mahuman ang year end or mas daghan ang kanang nabilin nga wala na halin nga nabilin for the year end. So kanila ang nabilin for the year end sa 2015 and then sa 2016 is 60,000 so mas dako-dako gyud siya. Okay. So muna siya ang atuang horizontal analysis. Furtherly pareha ra gyapon na sila og process diri. So tanan inyuhang kuan og increase and decrease labi na ning total kuan gyapon nimo siya og increase and decrease for you to be able to know kung sakto ba gyapon ang inyuhang nakuha nga increase and decrease kay apilo ninyo ning total assets for the 2 years tanan gid ninyong kuan. So always remember these formulas, the increase and decrease and the percentage in sales. So muna siya ang horizontal analysis for statement of financial position. Now, we will proceed to the horizontal analysis for the statement of comprehensive income. So if the statement of financial position is gikan sa current padulong sa previous, this same lang gyapon sa statement of comprehensive income. So gikan kang current minus the previous. So 950,000 minus 880,000, it is 70,000. It means it increases and 7.95%. Kani 7.95%. So ang net sales niya for the 2015 is 880,000. Mo na dayon ni ang iyahang sales for the 2016. So gataas ang ilahang sales every year. Okay. Dayon, as you can see, natay naka-open and close parenthesis, diba, diri nga mga amounts. Kani nga mga open and close parenthesis nga mga amounts is, it means nga, gikan kang 880, gi-minus nimo si 260, nakuha nimo si 620. But, pagkuha nimo sa increase and decrease, maora gyapon imuhang process. 180 minus 260, dayon 80,000. Dili meaning nga naka-open and close parenthesis silang duha. Mag-open and close parenthesis gyapon ka diri. Dili. Magbase ka sa increase and decrease niya. So gikan kang 180 minus the 260 ni increase siya og 80,000, right? Okay. And then 30 nagida iyang percentage is 30.77 sa I'm very sorry class, no, for the 80,000 it is decrease. So naka-open and close parenthesis na siya kay gikan sa 2016 ni gamay man imuhang cost of goods sold. So negative ni siya dire, negative which means it decreases. That is why naka negative pod ang iyahang percentage. So I'm very sorry, i-check lang ninyo na. And then next is the gross profit. So, gikan kang previous year, 770,000 minus 620 is 150,000. It means it increases and 24.19%. Haba kayong iro. Haba kayong iro. So, I'm very sorry for the noises namin sa bukid. Daghan may giro, tulo ka buok. Okay. So, the same process with all of the amounts inside the statement of comprehensive income. So, gikan diri, i-minus nimo sila diri. And then, makuha nimo ilahang increase and decrease. Then, makuha po nimo ilahang percentage of change. So, remember, kaning open and close parenthesis is operation na niya sa kaning iyang straight. Diba? 770,000 minus 180 equals 590. Dili siya meaning nga kung naka-open and close parenthesis siya, mo open and close parenthesis po kadiya, magbase ka kung ni-increase or ni-decrease ba siya. So, kung increase, positive. Kung decrease is negative or naka-open and close parenthesis. So, that is our horizontal analysis. So, I hope you learned something on today's video. I hope it helped you understand your module because this example is naa sa inyong module. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something. See you on the next video for vertical analysis.